love your makeup sponge, but hate how it soaks up all your foundation, gets dirty, chipped, and smelly? So did we. Introducing the world's first silicone-infused, super cute super sponge. Our team of scientists and engineers were determined to find a better solution. So we asked ourselves, how could we make a sponge that didn't suck, literally? With the Super Sponge, your relationship with foundation can now last 2 to 4 times longer when compared to a regular makeup blender. Our patent-pending coating prevents your expensive makeup and any nasty germs from seeping in. We've perfected our coating in such a way that it infuses with the sponge to take on all of the texture underneath. This allows the sponge to feel marshmallow soft while increasing its strength. To prevent the silicone from being airtight, we've left an opening so it can squish and bounce freely. And when it's ready to be cleaned, simply use your complimentary scrubber and some soap to bring it back to life. A scrubber comes included in all kits. We've listened to you, and the Super Sponge is literally everything you've been asking for in a makeup sponge. So ditch that old toxic relationship and meet your long-lasting, makeup-extending, germ-fighting Super Sponge.